Good afternoon, students. Today we are learn 1.4. Let's revise. Look at the pictures and tell their names. Today our second class students Yash Kure telling pictures name. So start Yash Kure.
Cup, elephant, kite, cat, tree, ice, glass, monkey, hand, dog, hand, can, van, box, umbrella, table, watch, sheep,